Hello children, welcome back to Littleville Premium Preschool Tarnaka. Hope you having fun while learning at home in this pandemic situation, and don't forget to wash your hands regularly. My name is Little Lion. I don't want to tell you boring lessons. Today, we gonna play a game and the game name is Guess the Sound. Children, first of all I'll make a sound, then you listen carefully and guess the sound. Before that, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go. Aman will guess this. 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Yes, this is boat. Sarah will guess this. 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Yes, this is cat. Avi 3 will guess this. 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Yes, this is train. Manvita will guess this. 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Yes, this is honeybee. Akira Alina will guess this. 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Yes, this is ambulance. Joy will guess this. 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Yes, this is rabbit. Shreyanks will guess this. 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Yes, this is airplane. Vaishnavi will guess this. 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Yes, this is rain.